My TroyBilt TB200 mower will start but will not stay running. What could be causing this? I just installed a new air filter.
How old is your TroyBilt lawn mower? When did you last change the oil?
It is maybe 3 to 5 years old. Oil was changed last summer.
How long has this been going on with your TroyBilt lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
I just noticed it being sluggish when I mowed the yard last week. Otherwise, it worked fine. When I added gas before I mowed last week, it emptied the gas can. Could the gas have been defective? All I've done is install the new air filter, which was very dirty.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It starts A-OK, it just doesn't stay running. I just started the mower, mowed one length of the front yard and then it died.
Hi, my name is Me. Review the issue, and I will be more than happy to help resolve it as quickly as possible. I will return in under 5 minutes.
Thanks.
Sounds like the carburetor has a partially clogged fuel jet and the carb needs to be removed and cleaned. Something in the fuel can cause this issue, or dirt particles can bypass the air filter.
Guess I should take it to the mower repair shop and have it tuned up. I had to have this done last summer, but it seems strange to me that the problem started occurring when I added that old gas.
The old gas can cause this by having moisture in it or small dirt and debris in it.
If I drain the old gas out and let the mower just run without actually mowing to clear out any old gas remaining, would that alleviate the problem?
It is possible, yes, but most of the time the bowl needs to be drained and jets clean. Removing old fuel would be a good start to resolve this issue yourself, though.
I think I will start with that. Thanks for your help. Bye.
Please let me know if you need further assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.